How to fix right click context menu stuck on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you are also facing such type of issue, if your right click context menu on desktop is stuck or delayed, and to fix this issue, the first workaround is repair your corrupted file system. Go to Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode, and here execute the command sfcs scan. Now any corrupted file system may be a cause of right click context menu stuck or delayed in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Execute sfc scan now command and press enter and let the window complete the process. This process will take some times. The second workaround to fix this issue is go to Windows settings, under system settings, go to about, here choose advanced system settings, under go to advanced tab from the top menu bar, and under performance section choose settings. Again go to advanced tab and uncheck or disable the fade related options. Fade or side menus into view, fade or slide tools tips into view, fade out menu items after clicking. All three items should be disabled. Place apply and then OK.